What do we mean by relative position? Let's talk about relative position, और उसको अगर मैं हिंदी में सिंपल भाषा में बोलूं तो रिलेटिव पोजीशन का मतलब होता है जो जहां है वो वहीं रहेगा। मतलब जो करेक्टर उस पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन पर है वो करेक्टर उस पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन पर ही रहेगा। If I have a word where we have character like C, V, C, V, V, C, C, and if it is said that relative position of RP बोलते हैं, relative position of vowels and consonants remains unchanged. That means what? It simply means consonant के लिए सिर्फ है हमारे पास chair number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And chair number 2, chair number 4 and chair number 5 are only for vowels. That means vowels would be arranging themselves upon 3 chairs and consonants would be arranging themselves on 4 chairs. तो 3 vowel 3 chair पे arrange करेंगे in 3 ways and 4 consonants would be arranging themselves on 4 chairs in 4 ways. So now if I say that there is a group of 10 people and 10 people are like G, M, G, G, M, M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. G stands for girl, M stands for man or boy. So here is a group of 10 people and we need to arrange them such that their relative position remain unchanged. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 girls would be arranging themselves on these 5 chairs only or on these 5 positions only in 5 ways. And the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 men, 5 boys would be arranging themselves on these positions only in again 5 ways. So answer to this will be factorial 5 into factorial 5. So I hope the concept of relative position is clear with all of us now. Thank you. So now when I say ordering remains same, that means what? That means that their position might be different but the order would be same. 5 chairs are there. And suppose I am concerned about only 2 people A and B. And if I say that A should always sit to the left of B. Now what does this mean? This simply means that if A is sitting on this chair number 1, let's number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then B can sit at number 2 or number 3 or number 4 or number 5 and in any of these cases, look how they will be sitting. They might sit like this, AB, or like this, or like this, or like this. In any of these cases, we can see that A is sitting to the left of B. Now, in the second case, if A is sitting on seat number 2, then how it would be? It would look like vacant because A is sitting on seat number 2. B can't sit here. Now B can be sitting on any of these 3 positions. In how many ways? It would be A, B, 2 space, then A space, B space, then A, B. Now in these many cases also, A is sitting to the left of B, isn't it? Now this can be the case. A is sitting on chair number 3. If A is sitting on chair number 3, then the cases would be something like this. That means we can have two cases. Now, suppose A is sitting on chair number 4, then we will end up with only one cases. So, how many cases we have developed? 1, 2, 3, 4 when A is on chair number 1. 1, 2, 3 when A is on chair number 2. 1, 2 when A is on chair number 3 and 1 when A is on chair number 4. Now A cannot be sitting at chair number 5, isn't it? Because फिर B कहाँ बैठेगा? B is to the right of A. If I say A is to the left of B, it also means that B is to the right of A. Now let's count the cases. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 and plus 1, 10. So these are the 10 cases. Now, if I say there are 5 people, in how many ways you can arrange 5 people such that A is always to the left of B? Now, if we need to arrange 5 people, A, B, C, D, E, all are different, on 5 chairs such that A is always to the left of B. In our example, we have seen that there are 10 such cases where A is to the left of B. But whenever we have a case, suppose this is a case for example, we always have 3 vacant chairs and 3 people also need to be arranged on these 3 vacant chairs. Now, in how many ways you can arrange 3 people on 3 vacant chairs? 3p 3 ways. That is 6 ways. So, we have 2 jobs. This is job 1, which can be done in 10 ways, and the remaining part of the job is job 2, which can be done in 6 ways. Then, total job can be done in 60 ways. So, answer to this question is, in 60 ways, we can arrange 5 people on 5 chairs such that A is always to the left of B. But what if I ask you that arrange 10 people such that 3 or 4 of them are in particular order? Now I have introduced this word order. It means what? Whenever you get something like this, A is always to the left of B or B is always to the right of A, that means they are asking to keep the ordering unchanged. And the very easy way to solve this is just find factorial n by factorial r, where r is the ordering members. Now, what do you mean by ordering members? Ordering members means number of members who shall maintain the order. In this case, we have 2 members who shall always maintain the order of A, B. And whenever we have this ordering concept and whenever we are dividing by factorial r, I hope you remember, we call it discounting. And discounting means treat them as alike items. So, to summarize, if I need to say, whenever you are asked to keep ordering same, treat them as alike items and do the needful. So if in our previous example A, B, C, D, E need to be arranged such that A and B maintains order, that means what? A is always to the left of B or B is always to the right of A, whatever. two people are always in an order, treat them as a like item, and final answer you can calculate very easily. 120 by 2 and it would be 60. So why going for a lengthy process when we know that ordering question should always be treated as a like item object, and we should be using the alike object discounting kicking off pattern. I hope this ordering is clear with all of us.